o te Maori e whānau, 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 however you want to say it from where you're from. I ain't going to even say it with a K on the end. That's just dumb. Anyway, so today's kupu or today's place name is Taranaki. Morena whānau, a te Maori e. So Taranaki is our place name for today. Only the R that's pretty hard to say in that. And once again, we go through that that concept of rolling your R like how a cat purrs. Okay. Oh, by the way, it's not Taranaki, it's not the Naki, and it's not Taranaki, as I've heard once before. Even though I like that one. Yeah. So just follow me. Ta, ra, na, ki. Ta, ra, na, ki. And then you get faster. Ta, ra, na, ki. Taranaki. Hey, that's where you're from. What part of you? Taranaki. 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 Easy. Bah.